Hey tribe, welcome back again to my channel. It's your favorite girl Ada here, and today we are going to be cleaning this real life messy kitchen. So you guys, I was down for like a bit, like 3 days or so. So I just didn't want to stress myself with any cleaning or anything. So yeah, I finally got the strength to do it. But then the flu going around is just crazy. It's something else. But then I finally got to doing it, and yeah, this is the mess we were left with. And yeah, so if you are looking to clean, if you're looking for a motivation, this is your motivation. Get up and let us clean. And by the way, welcome to my channel again, you guys. If you're new on here, welcome on to this channel. I do everything cleaning motivation, mom vlogs, like everything. I do not really have a niche, okay, but I just do everything, everything that I do in my life basically. So I just show you guys a little bit here and there. So I do cleaning, organizing. I love doing grocery hauls because I do a lot of grocery. As you as you already know, I have 4 kids. So yeah, I do a lot of groceries. I do mom vlogs and all of that, and also, little mom talks here and there, which I'll actually start doing more of. As we advance in this motherhood journey, you get to learn a lot, and I get to share my experience, with my fellow mothers, or soon to be mommies and all of that, or new mommies, whatever. We all just get to share our great experiences. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back always and supporting your girl. I truly appreciate you all. Yeah, here I'm on the phone. I'm still trying to tidy up and clean up, but I'm also on the phone with my sister. So, yeah, that's my best friend. So we're always talking almost every day, every minute. Yeah, we're always talking. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. I'm not going to bore you guys so much, but I'm going to see you at the end actually, or wherever I need to say something or explain something. I'll definitely be seeing you guys there. Please watch till the end because there's a surprise. So watch till the end and let me know in the comment section what part of this video you love the most, and any other type of content you would like to see on my channel. Please do let me know. Leave a heart emoji for me if you've gotten to here. Just leave a heart emoji, and of course leave your other comments in the comment section, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. This kitchen cleaning took a toll on me, but I was just so glad that I was able to finish everything, and all of that. So I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next one. Have a good day. Bye.